Okay, you're here because you need help communicating with your factory. So this course, Photoshop for Shoemakers, is not actually about drawing shoes. Not about that. This course is to help developers and product managers who don't have experience with Photoshop learn how to use this tool to communicate changes to the factory. Hey, my name's Wade Motawi. I'm the Shoe Dog. Hey, why should you be talking to me about Photoshop for Shoemakers? The answer is I've been using Photoshop for about 20 years, probably 25 or 30 now, actually, as a developer, product manager, and designer. And it's a powerful tool for helping communicate changes to the factory. So what this course is, it's 13 lessons, over 4 hours of video, and it walks you through how to use layers, how to use the drawing tools, how to use the text tools, how you can do color adjustments, basically all the things you need to do to, when you get a shoe and you see a problem, to be able to communicate it to the factory. So we'll go through all the main features of Photoshop. Now here, Photoshop is an intimidating program. There's hundreds of dialogues and features and all these other crazy things inside the software. You don't need to know all those. In this course, we hone in on just what you're going to need to be able to annotate a drawing, to make some adjustments, maybe move some logos around, some other cool things like that. But basically, just the stuff that you're going to need to be able to help your designers or product managers or yourself communicate changes to the factory. So check it out.